Hey, I'm going to do a reenactment. I just picked this up at Home Depot. Packaging looks good, huh? Everything looks new, clean. This blew my mind. I bought this so that I could put the, I don't even know what it's called, this thing. Like a dust collector extractor thing. So anyways, I was going to put that on there and then bungee cord it down so that I could have, you know, the new cool thing in the that all the kids are playing with. But I opened it up. Look what I found. Straight brand new from Home Depot. Some dirtbag, literally some dirtbag, used this to, I don't know what the hell this is. And they could have vacuumed up a rat-infested Connex. Who knows? So it was like 8:55. I called Home Depot right before they closed, and I said, "Hey, I'm coming down there when y'all open." So I'm not really mad at Home Depot. Yeah, when somebody returns something, they should check. But some dirtbag borrowed this vacuum or bought it, used it, returned it. So he got the free use of a vacuum and pretty much said, F the next guy. But yeah, Home Depot, when you get stuff brought back, you should task someone to open it up and make sure that it's returned in the right state or condition. All right. Well, yeah, this is going up on YouTube because that's just what people do.